This second narration is also probably reported by Hazrat ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu that Hazrat Zaid bin Amr bin Nufal went to Syria in order to consult anyone to follow a true religion. So he met a Jew scholar. He asked him about his religion and said, "Perhaps I may embrace your religion." He said, "You cannot enter a religion until you receive your part from Allah's fury." Hazrat Zaid said, "I run miles away from Allah's fury, and I am not capable to endure even the slightest amount of Allah's wrath. So can you tell me of any other religion?" He said, "I know not any religion except Hanif." Hazrat Zaid asked, "Which is the Hanif religion?" He replied, "The religion of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam, who was neither a Jew nor a Christian, nor did he worship anyone save Allah Jalla Jalaluhu." So Zaid left that place and met a Christian scholar. He asked him the same question, whereupon he said, "You cannot enter the fold of your religion until you get your portion out of Allah's curse." He replied, "I run far away from Allah's curse, and I am unable to endure even the slightest amount of Allah's curse and rage. So can you guide me to some other religion?" He says, "I know not any religion save the religion Hanif." He asked, "What is religion Hanif?" He replied, "The religion of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam, who was neither a Jew nor a Christian, nor did he worship anyone save Allah Jalla Jalaluhu." When Hazrat Zaid saw this decision about Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam, he came out and raising his hand said, "O Allah, I testify, I am on Hazrat Ibrahim's religion." Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3827.